Vanakkam, this is Dr. Vijayalakshmi Praveen, MBBS MD. I'm a public health specialist. Once the lockdown relaxes, few of you will have to be attending your offices regularly. I'll tell you what are all the things you have to do. First and foremost, never touch your eyes, nose or mouth with your hands or fingers when it is not clean. So, make a rule that you don't touch them at all. Next is, do not step out without a mask. I'll tell you what are the types of masks. This is N95 with respirator. Always wear it and also remove it using the same technique. Never touch the inner side. Always use the earpiece. This is triple layered mask. This comes on the upper side. This is a clamp. And then this is the cloth mask. The time from when you wear the mask till you remove it, never take your fingers or hands near the mask, never put your fingers inside, and do not wear the mask covering the nose alone, mouth alone. No. If you are wearing a thick mask like the Wildcraft mask, make sure you add one more layer of mask like a triple layered mask inside and then wear the thick mask outside because it tends to sag. During your snacks time, you can pull down the mask like this. Have your coffee or tea and then put it back in. Make sure you don't touch the inner side. Only use the outer side to remove it. During a lunch time, remove it completely. Do not touch the inner side. Just fold it a bit and then keep it in a safe place. Always sit at a distance of 6 feet away from your colleague. And do not talk to them for more than 5 minutes without a mask. Finish your lunch fast and then wear a mask. The next important thing to have is your hand sanitizer. Whatever new you touch, make sure you cleanse your hands. Be it a file, table, chair, and make sure the contact is very less, as in do not touch anything that does not belong to you as much as possible. Make sure you bring all your own things. When you come back, make sure there is a hand sanitizer outside the house. Whatever you have in your hand, the keys, phones, all other inanimate things, cleanse them with a hand sanitizer along with the door knobs and switches. Put your bags, handbags in a separate place which is not reachable to others. Go take a bath. Put your dresses for washing. It can be washed along with other dresses because anyway soap and water is going to cleanse the virus. If you are going to use the laptop and mouse that you used in office, cleanse them again with hand sanitizer, all alcohol wipes, the inner side, outer side, keys along with the mouse, and then start using it. So the risk of acquiring coronavirus infection is classified into 4. Low risk, which is staying home. Next is moderate risk, which is outdoor activities like walking, cycling. High risk is outdoor gatherings. Highest risk is indoor gatherings, be it inside a room or inside a building, which exactly is offices, schools, colleges, wedding halls, and also religious places. So every minute you are in your office, you should remember that you are in a place which is at a highest risk. So make sure you know what you touch and make sure every time you touch anything new, you clean your hands and sanitize them with hand sanitizer or soap and water every single time. If you are going to buy vegetables along the way when you come home, make sure you take the bags and small covers with you. Buy the vegetables. The moment you come home after you take bath, take the bag, put the vegetables in the separate tray in the fridge. Here the thing is that the stomach acid has the power to neutralize the virus. Just make sure you wash your hands every time you handle food. If you follow all these steps, you can be healthy, you can protect yourself and your family from the virus. Let's stay healthy, let us stay happy. Nandri, Vanakkam.